will improve the hardware? In this case, if software become cheap and hardware become expensive, basically a game programmer will improve the hardware. Hello everybody. I just want to say I'm really speechless. This application, it is crazy. I mean, I just am shocked. I just first want to congratulate engineer who developed this product. They are really good, create a good product. I'm speechless, very good. And yes, today I want to make you a little bit with you a brainstorm. Also talk about reverse engineering and this ChatGPT can replace the developer or not. But before to jump to this part, I want to also discuss one small idea with you, and I really curious and maybe you know about that. So just I realized some part of the people, they are hating developers. For instance, one laid off, it happened. I starting watch the videos and I starting like read the document, some comments, and they say, okay, now developer is starting fail. Yeah, you're starting fail and starting become very happy. For which reason? I don't know. It is so weird for me. And yeah, they really like willing to for developer is failing. Say, okay, and end of the developer is came. Now laid off is start and all company starting laid off, and maybe they thinking developer, probably they are thinking developer, sorry, I guess my camera is fell down. Yeah, probably they thinking developer is a little bit sassy. And yeah, also when ChatGPT is came on the table, they also starting again, okay, and developer end of the developer is again came, and ChatGPT can replace developer. And I read some comment and videos, I say, I mean, I feeling they hate developers, but I really didn't understand. Maybe I misunderstand. But if you know something about that, just we can discuss about that. Yeah, and let's forget this part. Okay, a little bit gossip. Just I saw a few comments recently, and I want to talk about that with you. Let's talk about this ChatGPT. This can replace the developer or not. I will not talk about usual stuff, because probably many people talk about that. Why ChatGPT cannot replace developer. Probably they already talk about we develop product. It's not about just coding, blah blah blah. I will not repeat same thing. I wanna look to this whole situation with different perspective and make you with you a little bit brainstorming. And if you like this idea, and just discuss about that. So many people thinking, okay, if ChatGPT is came on the table, if replace the developer, and developer will fail and company will be happy. But guys, it is not working like that behind the scenes. Because normal people, if you are not developer, probably you are thinking, okay, developer just create the Facebook, create the like application, etc. Which one you see? But actually, there is have many company just develop the product for development, develop the programming for development program for development coding. It is kind of like IntelliJ if you are not developer, and develop the tools, too much tools, and this company is also so big. So if you don't need developers, basically you don't need this all of the tools, and they also fail up. But it is not real first reason. I have one biggest reason. All company also will fail if developer fail. And let's make brainstorm and talk about reverse engineering. I want to check my title, which one I have to talk. Sure. Let's talk, but it is not just only reason. There's have too much reason more, and let's make a little bit brainstorm and reverse engineer why if something replaces the developers and all company will fail, everything actually will fail. So let's discuss. So basically software developer developing the software. I mean, there is one software and we develop the every day. It is not we create the application. We develop the application. We find the solution. For instance, developer is slow. Let's say is slow, and some developer groups say, okay, we can create the one framework, and this framework make the system more fast and just share the all the software marketing and everyone use actually for free, and it is open source basically. And there is a kind of too much framework, etc., and developer usually find the solution, not usually, that they basically find the solution and improve the products. And yes, basically developer software developer developing the software. So if ChatGPT replace a developer, and if we don't need a developer, so basically what will happen to technology? I mean, how will technologies continue to develop? Because if developer is not in the game, who will develop the software? In this case, two way come to in the table. First way, we already, it's stupid way, I know, but let's discuss. First way, it is okay. We achieve the end of the technology. This end of the technology, we cannot go to further. It is lost version. It is not. We are sure about that. Everyone probably sure. And second part, okay, if developer not developing the software, then software should develop the software. And it is shown for now. We talk about ChatGPT, but OpenAI, all artificial intelligence starting develop the software. So basically, artificial intelligence, ChatGPT for now, starting developing the software. And this, in this case, what will happen if our artificial intelligence development software? Let's imagine you ask one application, create for any solution, any product. Let's say you have idea, right? Right now, everyone have idea, but hard part, it developed this idea and make product. As probably you will need a developer, definitely you will need a developer. This part is hard, not right. This part is hard, right? And after this, actually, ChatGPT it came, and who have idea, basically they can achieve the idea and just ask the software, let's create this product for me. And basically software will create software, and once this product need the development, again software will develop this software. So basically when this happen, all company is gonna start and fail. Why? Because if software develop the software, what is the meaning of the software? You can ask every software. You can ask for e-commerce application. You can ask for cloud systems. You can ask for search engine. You can ask for Chrome. You can ask everything, and basically they can develop this software for you. So in this case, everything is gone, and software will be cheap. Right now, actually, it will be almost free. Right now is hardware. It is expensive, right? Hardware is expensive. If someone give you one computer without software, without any operation system, and say, okay, I will give you this computer for free, what is important of that? Or many people complain saying, okay, iPhone always increase the version of the phone and they don't change any hardware, because this is not about hardware, this is about software. Software is expensive. Software makes the product expensive. Computer is hardware. This part is not expensive. It's really cheap. Product is expensive because of the software. So in this case, software will become cheap, and everyone can create their own operation system. their own operation for phone system, for everything they create. Basically, because it is work like that. If software develop the software, you can basically do everything. And yeah, everyone can create their own e-commerce application. Then Amazon fail, Google fail, all company gonna fail. Yes, that's why first beginning of the video I say just not developer will fail, everyone will fail, all company will fail, because you can create your own product. But what will happen if software become cheaper? Then hardware, like first, you know, in this age actually software expensive, hardware cheap. But early of the like 20 years ago, hardware it was expensive. And again, hardware will be expensive and software will be cheap, because when you create a software, you basically need the hardware, you need the phone, you need the computer, or you need the server, and all of this hardware. And basically hardware, and we will need to improve the hardware. So who will improve the hardware in this case if software become cheap and hardware become expensive? Basically again, programmer will improve the hardware. Because programmer guys is technology guys. We call them is software developer, but they are technology guys. They don't have any border about technology. They just follow the technology. They say okay, it is they just follow the technology. If technology is changed, they follow the change. We don't have any border. We don't say, oh, I will just coding, or we just follow the technology guys. This obvious. And in this case, programmer starting again develop the hardware. Maybe we can change, we will say hardware developer, not software developer, but basically we can say programmer, and programmer will develop the hardware. But okay, and probably 90% of this video who watch will say, but if software starting develop hardware, what will happen? So let's imagine you say software created this product and it is great. You put in the hardware, and this hardware have fingers, have everything, and hardware starting become also develop the hardware. Yes, in this case, software programmer it will fail, but probably guys, all of us will fail, because in this case, if software can develop the hardware, we don't need anyone. I mean, just robot will do everything, and robots takes over the world, and we will fail all of us. I hope you liked this brainstorming. If you like, just subscribe my channel, and if you have any edge case from this idea, let's discuss. I like discuss about kind of brainstorming. So see you next time.